The first question we got today is I feel like I'm stuck in the past. Hey, 16 nearing 17-year-old male here. I've got a bit to say, but I won't drag it out or anything. I just seriously feel like I'm caught up in my old feelings that I should have still let go. So I'm gonna stop there because it's a very long question, but the question that he wants to ask is, how do I let go of the past? And I think the worst thing that people can do today in 2022 is hold on to their past. Holding on to our past is one of the most destructive things that we can do as a people. The reason for that is because if you're always holding on to your past, especially if you did something wrong, it will attach itself to you and it'll bring you nothing but misery for as long as you let it win over you. Holding on to your past is like a parasite that latches onto you. And if you do not fix it, if you do not address it, if you do not grow from it, it'll become something that will plague you for the rest of your life. I'm telling you this. How many people do you know that are still caught up from something that happened to them 20 years ago? The reason for that is why? Because they did not grow, they did not heal through that memory. So many times we have things that happen to us that are bad, that are negative. And the thing is that happens is that we never truly grow from it. We never heal from it. We just keep running from that memory because it is scarring. I'm not saying that your memories are not scarring. I'm not saying that what you're going through isn't painful. I know that it is painful. But what I'm saying to you is you need to be able to sit down and identify and work through all of your past memories. Because we want to move forward in life. We're constantly moving forward in life. And if you do not address that parasite in your life, it will continue to win over you forever. Trust me when I say this. I still deal with this. I know your friends probably deal with this, but you can learn how to work through it. And I'm going to tell you exactly how. Is that you need to, again, as I said before in previous videos and previous podcasts, the solution is simple. Do not overcomplicate it. You need to get out a journal, or you can meditate. You could just sit down with your thoughts. And I want you to go in detail with your thoughts. I want you to go back to the past. I want you to relive that memory. I want you to picture that yourself standing there again. And it might be scarring. I'm not saying that it's not going to be hard. You might need to cry through it, scream through it. You might get really angry with yourself. All of those emotions are necessary in order for you to grow through this time. They're all necessary. You all need to do this. And once you are able to write out that memory, I want you to go start thinking about it or start writing down why you're stronger than that memory. What did you learn from that memory? And then once you're done with that, then I want you to crumble up that paper. I want you to get up and I want you to tell yourself that you are done thinking about that memory. I have conquered my past. And that doesn't mean you're going to instantly win. That does not mean you're going to instantly win and you're going to never think about that memory again. But what I want you to do is I want you to train yourself to, when you think about that memory, you instantly think of how you grew from that memory. We got to stop holding on to our past. We got to stop thinking about what if situations, if we could have done something in the past. We need to move forward in clarity and we need to do it now. This is something, when I think about people holding on to their past, and I do this too, so I'm not separate from you, but we are allowing ourselves to harm ourselves. When we decide to hold on to these negative thoughts, we are hurting ourselves, but we don't even know it. We think about the memory and those people that have hurt us, but technically, if we cannot cope through it, if we cannot heal through it, we are allowing ourselves to hurt ourselves. Those people, those memories, they've grown, they've changed, they've done other things with their life. Why are we still stuck on something that's happened in the past? We need to let go of the past. We need to heal through it. We need to grow from it. And that's how you truly are able to heal. But you have to shake this negative cloud off of you. Because if you do not get rid of negativity, if you do not get rid of low self-worth, if you do not get past your memories, your past, it'll just continue to float over you. You try to benefit your life, okay, you have a memory for that's gonna stomp that dream out. And what I want you to do is I want you to look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you are better than your past every single day. You might not want to say it in the mirror. You could say it in your head. You could say it in any way you want, but you need to get to a point where you can tell yourself that you are better than your past. You are stronger than your past. You are worth it. You are smart. You are confident. All of those things. Because you are. It's just that negativity has told you otherwise, and now you believe that lie. So you have to shake this off of you. The next question